Open the URL and check the installation steps. Double-click to open and install. Enter your Mac unlock password. Install Windows 11 operating system. Step 2. Download and install the lifetime certificate. Click Done. Open System Settings. Click Privacy and Security. Scroll down to the bottom. Click Open Anyway. Enter your Mac unlock password. Then I will send you the lifetime key. Please copy and paste, ensuring there are no extra spaces before or after. Click OK. Open Permissions, then enter your Mac unlock password again. Click Quit and reopen. Copy and paste the lifetime key once more, then click Install. Enter your Mac unlock password again. Congratulations, activation completed. Next is Login. Log into your account. If you don't have one, please register. Click Continue Trial. Congratulations, activation all completed. Click Account and License to view the license status.